Hello, it's my final 9 holes before I leave this beautiful course, Chee Golf Resort, and I'm determined and bent on not scoring badly. So the strategy for this back nine will be to stay out of trouble. So I have indicated the distance to the bunkers to carry them to some certain hazards. Staying out of the trouble will greatly help me in my cause to have a great score. Besides using the rangefinder to find out the distances to all the hazards and the pins, I also have the help of this yardage book which you can purchase at the pro shop at Chee Golf Resort. It's not common to find a yardage book, and Chee has made one beautifully, and with this I'm using it to avoid all these dangers.
This hole is a par 5. We cannot go left for sure because that bunker is not nice to be inside. We have to go right. So let's go right. I say don't go left already, still go left. Oh, that's the wrong way to say it. Cannot go, you want to go right.
If you do get into trouble like a fairway bunker and you have trouble getting out of them, then maybe it's time for you to learn how to find a coach or pro to help you with these shots. On this third shot, I have about 130 meters to the pin, and to carry the bunker it's 120, so it's a comfortable 9 iron.
Thank you. Because it's like straight right in, right?
Hole 3 is a par 3 with a pin tucked on the right side with the front pin, and I'm playing to the far left of this green as that's the fatter side of the hole. Playing to the fat side is also important so that you can stay away from trouble. You may leave yourself with a long putt, but if your putting is fairly good, then 2 putt will be great for a par. The bunker is in play on the right side, so I'm playing for a draw towards the center. I always encourage golfers to hit one shape of their golf shot. If they hit draws, and just stick to the draws of the way, and if you're a fader, just stick to your fades.
It's okay.
The pin on this hole is in the front, so my choice of club would want to leave the ball just short of the green. Playing long for this hole is not ideal as you would bring all the troubles into play.
Good job.
When you're facing a long par 3, generally my expectations are not very high. I try to put it as close as possible and rely on my shot game to get up and down. There is no shame walking away with a bogey as well. The pin is slightly on the back left of this hole. My plan is to go with a 6 iron and play long and right side of this. Stay away from the bunkers.
Okay. fine. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed Chee Golf Resort. So I'm giving away another ball marker. It's a gold one, and all you have to do is like and subscribe and tell me which is the first country that you would love to travel overseas and play golf. Leave it down in the comment section below. See you later. May the course be with you. Bye-bye.